Okay, Winston. What is it that's bothering you now? Is it because you want some treats? Huh? Is that what it is? Well, the good news is, because you're my number one best friend, I'm going to give you some treats. But first, you've got to give me the paw. All right, cool. And then you've got to say, yes, hold on. I've got to tell you what to say first. Then you've got to say, I want one. You have to say, I want one. You got to say, I want one. All right. I suppose that will do. And you can have a real nice treat. There you go. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Winston really appreciates it. So do I. Hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Because, you know, old dogs need love too.